There's a setting inside Google Flow that almost nobody is using, and it's the reason some 3D cartoon channels are blowing up while everyone else is stuck with characters that look different every single scene. I found it, I tested it, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what it does and how to use it to build a full video from scratch. Don't skip ahead. By the end of this video, your 3D cartoon character will look the same, sound the same, and move the same in every single scene without any 3D rendering software, without any technical skills. And before we start, the full master prompts I'm using today are already in the description and pinned comment. Grab them now so you can follow along step by step. But if you need me to send it directly to you, comment prompt and I will do that. Start by opening Claude AI. The free plan is all you need. Paste in the master prompt I've provided. It'll ask you to choose a language. For this video, use English, but you can choose whatever language you want. Claude then generates 10 story ideas built specifically for 3D cartoon format. Pick a number between 1 and 10, type it into Claude and hit enter. Claude will then generate scene-by-scene dialogue script with duration, character action notes, and every line of dialogue, clean, structured, and ready to produce. Reply yes when you're satisfied with what you have. Next, Claude generates a detailed image prompt for each character, including their 3D cartoon-style description, outfit, personality traits, and a precise text-to-image prompt engineered to produce a consistent 3D look. Copy the first character prompt and head to flow.google, link in the description, open a new project, and click on the character option in the left sidebar. This isn't just an image generator, it generates consistent image character that carry voice consistency too. Paste your prompt here, choose whichever model you prefer. For the purpose of this video, I will go with Nano Banana Pro. After that, hit the enter button. After a few seconds, your first character image has been created. Now, we need to rename this file. Head back to Claude and copy the file name. Use that to change the name of the file. Next, we have to choose a voice that suits our character. Go through the list of voiced and select whichever one you want. When everything is ready, click Done. Now go ahead and do this for the rest of the characters. Now head back Claude and type Yes. Now Claude will generate environment and background image prompts for us. When the prompts are ready, copy the first prompt and head back to Google Flow. In the left-hand corner, click on Scenes. Click here and make sure your aspect ratio is 16:9. Now paste your prompt and hit Enter. Within a few seconds, our first environment will be ready. Go back to Claude and copy the file name. Come back to Flow and rename the file name to the one you just copied. Do this for the rest of the environment and background images. As you can see, all the environments are ready. Next, go back to Claude and type Yes. Now the AI will generate a scene-by-scene prompts. The image prompts will be provided. It looks super detailed. Our characters that are supposed to be included in the first scene is clearly labeled, and also the background to be used. Copy the first prompt. Before we head on to Flow, pay attention. The prompts contains the character and the prompt. Head on to Flow and click on Scenes. Click At and make sure you choose your character. Important tip, make sure you choose the one labeled image and not character. Click here and add the character here. If you have more than one character in that scene, all you have to do is add them with this same method. Also choose the environment by typing at choose the background that was provided in that prompt. For this very one, it's this background right here. Hit the enter button when done and wait for our first scene to generate. Within a few seconds, our first scene will be ready. Click on the 3 dots here and rename the image created. Name it Scene 1. Go back to Claude, copy the second scene, and do the same for the rest of the prompts until you have all of your scenes ready. As you can see, all our scenes are ready and well labeled. Now head back to Claude and type yes, and the AI will start image to video prompts for our video. Within seconds, all of our prompts will be ready. The prompts will also be well detailed, containing the speaker and also the duration of the prompt. Copy the first prompt and head back to Google Flow. Now change this to video and make sure ingredients is selected. Choose VEO 3.1 Lite to save credits. First, click the At button and choose your scene. This is the first scene, so we are choosing Scene 1. Next, click the @ button and choose the character that is in the prompt in the first scene. Now pay attention. This time you are not choose the image, but the character. The reason for this is to make sure you get your voice consistency. Next, paste your prompts in the box and then hit the enter button. Within seconds, our first scene will be ready. We can click on it and see how amazing it came out. Now go ahead and do the same for the rest of the prompts. When all of our videos are ready, download them in the best quality available and save them onto your device. Next, open your preferred video editor. For this video, I will make use of CapCut. Import all of your clips and add them to the timeline in the right sequence. Trim out the unwanted parts. To remove the watermark, selected all of the clips and make it a compound clip. Now zoom out the part that carries the watermark and it'll be removed on all the clips. When you are satisfied with what you have, then you export the video.
Another beautiful morning in Whispering Wood.
Pip! Pip! Did you find a new home yet? Winter's coming, you know? Chirps softly.
Not yet, Nutty. Every good nest spot is already taken.
Don't worry, best friend. We will search together today. I promise.
Nutty! Up here, Bod. Look at this. This is it, Nutty. This is my dream nest. It's perfect.
It really is perfect. The warmest, coziest spot in the whole forest.
Wait here, Nutty. I'm going to tell Benny and Belle the good news.
You just learned what most creators will spend months trying to figure out on their own. A complete 3D cartoon production pipeline, character consistency handled by flow, voice consistency locked per character, environments built to match, and a script engine that does the creative heavy lifting. This is not a maybe strategy. Channels using this exact format are getting monetized and making real money right now. The only difference between them and you is that you haven't published your first video yet. So here's your move. Grab the prompts from the description, follow the steps, and get that first video live this week. Then subscribe and hit the bell because I'm dropping workflows like this regularly and you don't want to fall behind. And if you want to go even deeper, the video right above this one shows you how to clone any successful YouTube channel from scratch. Watch that next. It pairs perfectly with everything you just learned. The prompts are waiting. Go build. I'll see you inside the next one.